know what is a stone?
No, you
It
can
is-
explain to me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, a stone is like this.
Oh, okay.
A stone is a tower built up.
Ah, okay,
This
okay.
is a stone. But you know what is a stone? This?
Now, yes, you explained to me, so I know.
Look. The stone then with the stone artfully to get like this. But we can say take off your shoes.
Okay.
I want to take off my shoes.
You want to take off your shoes? Okay. You can take.
But this is your ground for your shoes. You know, planets and flyers. But it's right here, guys. And the sound. Be careful, because they don't find freaking dragons. Careful to jump. When you jump, be careful, because there's a promise. The stone. Okay. Now. So be careful and the stone. You said you would drop. Then you can fall. Be careful. Careful, but you can steal. But your shoes. Put your shoes right. Let's do here. Put it right here. Right as a circle. What does a circle means? It means that the tower broke and that tower broke. This is what is I know. But rebuilding. I know.